Does YouTube TV have a guide? Yes, YouTube TV includes a live programming guide that helps you navigate through channels and see what's currently airing and what's scheduled to come on. Here's how you can use the guide on YouTube TV. Step number 1, access the guide. On any device where you're using YouTube TV, navigate to the main interface. You can access the guide by selecting the Live tab from the navigation bar. This tab is typically found at the top or side of the screen depending on your device. Step number 2, browse channels. The live guide will display a grid of channels with current and upcoming programming. You can scroll through this guide to see what's on now and what will be airing later. The guide usually shows a few hours of programming in advance. Step number 3, customize your guide. YouTube TV allows you to customize which channels appear in your guide. You can reorder the channels based on your preferences or hide channels that you do not want to watch. To customize, go to Settings and look for the option to manage live guide or channels. Here, you can add or remove channels from your lineup or change their order. Step number 4, use the guide to record shows. If you see something in the guide that you want to watch later, you can easily schedule a recording right from the guide. Simply select the program and choose the option to record it to your DVR. Step number 5, search via guide. You can also use the search function within the guide to quickly find specific shows or movies or to jump to specific channels. Step number 6, advanced features. The guide also integrates additional features such as quick views on program details and options to start from the beginning if a show is already in progress, where available.